Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hisense Remote is probably one of the most essential gadgets for anyone looking to streamline their home entertainment experience, transforming a cluttered coffee table of multiple controllers into a single, intuitive device that effortlessly manages your Hisense Smart TV, sound system, and other connected media players, promising unparalleled convenience and a truly integrated viewing journey right from the comfort of your couch. Number 5. Acoyer Replacement Remote for Roku TV, 2-pack. Tired of searching for your TV remote? This convenient 2-pack solves your home backup needs. You'll always have a spare on hand. Forget complicated pairing or programming. Simply insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to use. It works right out of the box. This universal remote is designed specifically for Roku series TVs. It's compatible with popular brands like TCL, Hisense, ON, Sharp, and many more Roku TV models. Please note, it is not compatible with Roku sticks, streaming sticks, boxes, or other Roku players. It also won't work with non-Roku TVs from the listed brands. Access your favorite apps instantly with its 4 dedicated shortcut buttons. You can precisely control your TV from up to 10 meters or 30 feet away. This remote is built for durability, supporting over 160,000 clicks for all buttons. It's tested to ensure long-lasting performance. Enjoy peace of mind with an unlimited return and refund service within a 1-year warranty. Our customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. This remote offers excellent value with its 2-pack bundle, ensuring you always have a backup. If you own multiple Roku TVs or frequently misplace remotes, this dual pack is a perfect, hassle-free solution. Its instant setup means you're ready to watch your favorite shows right out of the box. What people say. Number 4. Replacement Remote for Apple TV 4K HD. Looking for a reliable replacement remote for your Apple TV 4K or HD? This device is designed to seamlessly control your favorite entertainment. Please note, this is not a Siri remote and does not include voice functionality. It provides essential navigation and playback controls for your viewing pleasure. It's compatible with a wide range of Apple TV models, from the first generation to the latest third generation 4K devices. Check the manual for specific model numbers. This replacement works with many original Apple TV and Siri remote models. It's a versatile solution for lost or broken controllers. Forget complicated pairing processes. Simply insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to use right out of the box. A user manual is included for guidance. For power, volume, and mute functions, it works with specific TV brands like Samsung, LG, and Sony. Please verify your TV brand before purchase. Before using this new remote, remember to unlock your old device with its original remote. This crucial step ensures a smooth connection. What we like. This replacement remote is designed specifically for Apple TV models, offering reliable infrared control. If you're an Apple TV user looking for a straightforward, non-Siri remote, this is a solid choice. It also offers limited power volume control for specific TV brands, adding convenience to your setup. What people say. No reviews were provided in a source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to fulfill the request. Number 3. Hisense EN2A27 Universal Smart TV Remote. This remote is designed for all Hisense 4K LED HD UHD smart TVs. It offers broad compatibility, ensuring it works seamlessly with your device. Forget complicated setups. This new remote works right out of the box, saving you time and hassle. It supports a vast range of Hisense TV models, from various H series to LC series. You can check the full list to ensure your specific model is covered. Crafted with high-quality materials, it provides a comfortable grip for everyday use. You'll appreciate its reliable performance and ergonomic design. If you need a new remote for your Hisense Smart TV, this is an ideal replacement. It offers all the functions you need to control your entertainment. What we like. This remote is a truly universal solution for a vast range of Hisense Smart TVs, requiring no complex setup. If you have an older or less common Hisense model and need a simple, effective replacement, this remote's broad compatibility makes it an ideal pick. Just pop in batteries, and you're good to go. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Hisense Roku TV Universal Remote Control. Introducing the ultimate replacement remote for your Hisense Roku TV. This universal control is designed to seamlessly integrate with all compatible models, bringing convenience right to your fingertips. Forget complicated setups and programming. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to go. You'll be back to enjoying your favorite shows in seconds. This remote is truly universal, compatible with a wide range of Hisense Roku TV models. Whether you have an older or newer set, it's designed to work flawlessly. Enjoy instant access to popular streaming services with dedicated shortcut buttons. Netflix, Hulu, and Vudu are just a click away, making your entertainment experience smoother. If your original remote is lost or broken, this is the perfect solution. It's a reliable and durable replacement, ensuring you never miss a moment of your entertainment. It's also an excellent substitute for specific Hisense remote models like HU-RCRS-21G and HU-RCRUS-20. This ensures broad compatibility and peace of mind for many users. What we like. This remote is tailored for Hisense Roku TVs, featuring convenient shortcut buttons for popular streaming apps. If you frequently use Netflix, Hulu, or Vudu and want quick access, this remote streamlines your viewing experience. Its instant functionality means no setup is required, letting you jump straight into entertainment. What people say. Number 1. Hisense EN2A27HT Smart TV Remote. Introducing the universal remote for your Hisense Smart TV. It's compatible with all Hisense 4K LED HD UHD smart TVs, making it a versatile choice for your entertainment needs. This replacement EN2A27HT model works seamlessly with a vast range of Hisense Smart TV models. You can easily find your specific TV among its supported devices. Forget complicated setups. This remote is brand new and requires no programming at all. Simply insert new batteries, and it's ready to use right out of the box. Enjoy instant access to your favorite streaming services. It features dedicated buttons for Netflix, YouTube, and Vudu, putting entertainment at your fingertips. If your old remote is lost or broken, this is the ideal replacement. It offers the same functionality and ease of use you expect. Please note that batteries are not supplied with this unit. You will need 2 new batteries to power it up and begin enjoying its features. What we like. This remote is a perfect replacement for a wide array of Hisense Smart TVs, offering direct access to your favorite streaming services. If you appreciate having dedicated buttons for Netflix, YouTube, and Vudu, this remote enhances your smart TV navigation. It's designed for immediate use, making it incredibly user-friendly. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.